Hi friends, welcome to their channel. I'm Sanjay Mutakutta from Smart Magazine. Today, we are going to discuss about how to place an image inside a shape and how to move the shape and the image to a different background. As you can see, this is the original image. And this is the background image. And this is the final result after the editing. Let's go to the lesson. We'll start by opening the image which we want to place inside our shape by going into File menu and choosing Open. Now you can see it in the Layers panel, and as you can see, the layer is locked. Double-click on the layer and click OK to unlock the layer. Next step is to add a custom shape to your document. The easiest way to add a custom shape to your document is by using the Custom Shape tool. Right-click on here and select Custom Shape tool. To load more shapes, click here on the Shapes icon and select Tool Settings. And from that select All and click Append for the appearing message box. Now you have more shapes in the panel. To add a shape to your document, simply choose a shape in the Shapes panel and then draw the shape like this. The default shape color is black. But it's okay if your shape is filled with a different color. When you draw a shape, Photoshop will automatically surround the shape with the free transform box and handles. Click and drag any of the handles to resize the shape. You can also drag inside the box to move the shape into another place. When you're done, click the check mark in the options bar to accept it and close Free Transform. Or press Enter. And in the Layers panel, the shape appears on its own shape layer above the image. We're going to use this shape to create our vector mask, and we'll do that next. To turn the shape into a vector mask, we don't actually need the shape itself. What we need is the path, the outline around the shape. Go to Photoshop's Paths panel. You'll find it in the same panel group. Now we need to make a copy of the path from the shape we drew earlier. Click on the shape's path and drag it down onto the Create New Path icon at the bottom of the Paths panel. A copy of the path appears above the original. Now again select the original shape path, and then go to the Layers panel and delete the shape by dragging the shape layer itself onto the trash bin. Don't try to delete the shape layer by pressing Delete key on your keyboard, because this will delete the path copy we just created. The shape disappears, but its path outline remains in front of the image. To convert the path into a vector mask, go up to the Layer menu in the menu bar. Choose Vector Mask, and then choose Current Path. And just like that, the image appears inside the shape. In the Layers panel, a vector mask thumbnail can be seen from the right side of the image thumbnail. I'll show you how to reposition the image inside the shape, and how to resize the shape without resizing the image. By default, the image and the vector mask are linked together. So if you move or resize one, the other is moved or resized along with it. To move the image or the shape independently, first unlink the image and the vector mask by clicking the link icon between the thumbnails. Then move the image around inside the shape. Select Photoshop's Move tool from the toolbar for that. And then click on the image with the Move tool and drag it into the position. One last thing we should do before moving the shape to a different background, that is, trim away the transparent areas around the shape. This will make it easier to center the shape on the new background. Go up to the Image menu in the menu bar and choose Trim. Then the Trim dialog box will appear. Now check and make sure that all the checkboxes, which the top, bottom, left and right, are all selected. Click OK to close the dialog box. The surrounding transparent pixels are instantly cropped away. Now I'm going to move the shape to a new background. Now open your background image. Then switch back to the original document, the one that holds the image inside the shape, by clicking its tab. Make sure the image and the vector mask are linked together. To move the shape over to the background document, we'll simply drag and drop it. We now have our shape and the image inside it in front of the new background. Use the free transform, or press Ctrl+T to resize the shape if needed. To finish off the effect, let's add a stroke around the shape. In the Layers panel, make sure the layer that holds the original image and the shape is selected. Then click the Add Layer Style icon, which shows as FX, and choose Stroke from the list. In the dialog box, set the stroke color by clicking the color swatch, and then choosing a color from Photoshop's color picker. I'll choose gray color. Click OK when you're done to close the color picker. And finally, adjust the thickness of the stroke with the size option. The value you need will depend on the size of your image. Click OK to close the Layer Style dialog box. And here we have our final result. Now you can save the image in your preferred format. Finally, don't forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon on the side to get the smart notifications as soon as we added a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.